What's up guys, Cliff from the Sunday Drive coming at you with a quick video showing how to fix the leaking third brake light on most GMC pickup trucks. So welcome back to the channel guys, and today we are covering the issue with the third brake light leaking. This seems to have been an issue with GM trucks for eternity, and it's still an issue, unfortunately. But today we're gonna show you a quick fix. Now, previously we shot a very detailed video showing how to remove this, so if you need to know how to remove your third brake light, watch the link above, and we'll also have it down in the description. Now in that video, I chose to silicone the brake light, and that worked great. I didn't have any leaks. And didn't have any issues with it. However, we just finished wrapping the truck, and in order to wrap the truck, I had to remove the third brake light. And getting all of that silicone off of the truck was a huge pain in the butt. One of my guys did it. I didn't have to deal with it, but he probably spent 2 hours working on getting all of that silicone off of the truck. And it all came off, no issues, but it is a lot of work. So today's solution is gonna be much cleaner and simpler, and you won't have to scrape a whole bunch of silicone off your truck. So the solution we are talking about is an upgraded aftermarket gasket. The one we happen to be working with is Ruxifey. Now, I bought this product. They did not send it to me for free. I have not tested this previously, so I don't know how good it is actually gonna work. This is just something I found by Googling. Some guys said it was pretty good, a lot of decent reviews on it. So take that with a grain of salt. This is just one of several products that are out there, but this is one that seemed to have good reviews. So we gave it a try. They make products for a lot of aftermarket or a lot of vehicles. It seemed like they had the gaskets for like the 2500 roof lights, as well as some things for the Hummer. So basically they make upgraded gaskets for things that are prone to failure. So this is the gasket we wanted to show you guys today, and maybe it's a better solution for you. All right, so here's the gasket. I just removed the middle part. And when you compare the thickness, it's supposed to be a little thicker, but the thicknesses look the same. However, where the difference does show itself, and it's gonna be a little hard to see this on camera, but when you press these two together, this one is significantly denser, you can feel it, than the factory one. I'm able to squish this factory one down almost to nothing, and there's very little resistance. With this Ruxifey gasket, it is much harder for me to compress it. Again, I don't have a way of measuring what the difference is in density here, but it is definitely a denser gasket, even though the thickness is the same. So this should seal better against the cab of your truck and the light. The other nice thing about this kit is they include two of them, so if you ever remove the brake light in the future because you're doing work, you'll have a new gasket you could put on, or you could share it with a buddy. They also include a alcohol rubbing pad so that you can clean up the surface. So all you're gonna need to install this is simply remove the factory one. Make sure you get all the adhesive off of here that's on here. A little Goo Gone works really good, and then you wanna finish it up with some rubbing alcohol to make sure there's no contaminants, and then simply glue this one on and put it on the truck, and that's all there is to it. So again, if you need to know how to remove this, you can watch our video down in the description. Do be careful removing it. It is very easy to crack the top edge when you go to remove these clips. These are the clips you have to release in case you're lazy and don't feel like going to watch the other video. There's these two clips that hold in right here, as well as a couple alignment pins, but these are the clips that are doing the brunt of the work, and you have to get in there and release. Just try to use something very thin, a credit card or something like that. Otherwise, it's very easy to crack the light along this top area, and then you can get water intrusion into the light. Now, if that happens, what you could do is run a bead of silicone along the top of your light. That's what I did with the previous one, and I didn't have any water intrusion into the light. So if you mess it up, that will work. All right, guys, and that is it. Just wanted to come at you with a real quick alternative solution for fixing the leaking third brake light on GM trucks. I wish they would just upgrade the gasket so you wouldn't have to deal with this, but unfortunately, here we are. Luckily, there are good aftermarket companies that have made alternative solutions. You also could just silicone the heck out of this, but it is gonna be a pain when you go to remove it if you ever do in the future. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Do our best to get back to you, and we'll see you in the next video. This will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching.